What up YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with a short tutorial for you guys. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I undo a style and how I treat my hair and locks after a week and a half of it being in this style. And of course, if you guys want a tutorial on this look, I do have one available for you guys. But first, I'm going to start off by removing all of my lock jewelry, and then I'm going to take a rat tail comb and try to locate and pop the rubber bands. And there were a lot of rubber bands used for this style. I definitely underestimated how many rubber bands were used because there were quite a few. But regardless, we're going to pop each and every last one of them. And I did pop my fingers a few times, and yes, it did hurt. But so we're just going to unravel the first of 8 petal buns I believe I had. I'm not sure. But yes, we're going to do the tedious job of popping each and every last rubber band. It's not fun. And I know some of you may be wondering why I am unraveling my hair so soon, and that's because my scalp is just like my daughter's. We just don't be playing with too many styles. Like, that's why I was never a wig type of girl, like them braids on top of tracks. Like, that was never my stilo. So I don't keep styles in for long, like box braids. No, 3 days, they're out of there. But seriously, I'm just super tender-headed, and after a week, my scalp is itching and begging like a soul in hell for some water. But not only that, I was actually experiencing some hairline bumps. And if you guys aren't familiar with hairline bumps, it's pretty much inflamed bumps that appear along the hairline, mainly caused by like stress and tension. In my case, it would be caused by tension. It's also known by another name called scalp folliculitis, which is also a fungal and bacterial infection. But as I mentioned before, that's not the case for me. Mine was caused by my tight style. So at that moment, I knew it was time for me to take down this style. Sidebar, when you are experiencing hairline bumps, try your best to not scratch it, because I was foolish enough to scratch it, and I low-key scratched a teeny tiny bald spot on my damn head. But you guys won't see it in this video because I didn't notice it until afterwards, so I will be sure to show you in my next one. This is why it's called a lock journey. And a journey it is. So remember, if you're ever experiencing hairline bumps, your best option would be for you to take down your style immediately. Trust me, because you do not want to cause further damage to your hair, because this can cause a thing called tension alopecia, which is hair loss caused by tight styles. And so we want to avoid all that fun jazz, and we're just going to start off by taking down our hair and just allowing our scalp and locks to breathe. Now that my hair is free, I'm just going to give it a good massage. You guys know how it is when you first get your hair out of a style. Fun fact about massaging your hair: it stimulates blood flow, which stimulates hair growth. You see how that works? But once I'm done stimulating my scalp, I'm just going to head over to my steamer and give myself a hot steam treatment. Unfortunately, I will do this off camera, but I do have a steaming tutorial available on my YouTube channel, which goes in depth on how I treat my hair. So be sure to check that video out. But now that I have finished steaming my hair, I'm going to add my favorite leave-in conditioner and oil mix, and I am going to apply it off camera. But of course, all products will be listed in the description box below. But I went ahead and just allowed my hair to dry, and I did apply some makeup off camera, and this is my hair. So I have noticed that my edges are a little bit thin in certain spots. Pretty much all the spots that I was scratching relentlessly at, that's my fault, okay? So I will not be retwisting my hair until the summertime, actually July-ish. So that's a few months from now, and that gives my hair a nice, well-deserved break, okay? But overall, my hair is healthy. Like, look at that color, look at that face, like, we still cute regardless. We're gonna make it through. But I appreciate you guys sticking around for my lock journey. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.